So hi guys, let me teach you how to make a text effect using the Pixellab. So here is it. We are in Pixellab already. So let me go and use a YouTube thumbnail. Let me just use YouTube thumbnail. I don't want it to be that big. So I'll go and import the image that I'm going to use. Here's it. I've already removed the background. So let me just centralize this image. So for the color, I'll use something nice. I'll just use something nice. So it depends on which color you actually want to use. Should I use this? Okay, let's assume I use this. So what I will do is I will go to text and then write the text. Let's say I write smoke, and then let me make it uppercase letters and then drag it. So I will go and choose the font. So let's say, let me use this font that I use, this font here. So I'll just click on it. I will increase the size, increase the size. Let me leave the size to be at, let's say 150. Yeah, so let me centralize it. Yes. So what I will do is I will turn it to the back and then copy it again. And then I will centralize the copied one. So here is where the deal is. I will go to color here and then I will click on this plus icon here by the sides, and then I will drag this to this side here. So you can see nothing is showing. So I will click on OK. Then I will go to stroke here. I will stroke it with white. So you can actually see, it depends on the stroke you actually want. So you can actually increase the stroke size. So let me leave the stroke size to be at 2 or 3. Let's say 4. Depending on the intensity you like. So it actually depends on you. So this is just how to make your text effect using Pixellab. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Please consider subscribing if you didn't subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.